Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce contract disputes with LawDepot. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the LawDepot website. Once on the home page, look for the contract section. Click on it to explore various contract templates available. Choose the type of contract you need from the list provided. After selecting the contract type, click on the Create Document button. You will be prompted to fill in essential details relevant to your contract. Enter the necessary information, such as names, dates, and specific terms. Pay close attention to details to ensure accuracy and clarity. Use the templates provided to guide you on standard terms and conditions. Make sure to customize the template to fit your specific situation. After filling in the details, review the contract carefully. Check for any potential ambiguities or unclear terms. This step is crucial in preventing misunderstandings. Once you're satisfied with the contract, click on the Preview option. Review the document thoroughly one last time before finalizing. If everything looks good, proceed to save or print the document. Consider sharing the contract with all parties involved for feedback. Be open to making adjustments, if necessary, to reach mutual agreement. After finalizing, ensure all parties sign the contract. Store the signed contract in a safe and accessible location. Regularly refer back to the contract as needed to avoid disputes. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the chances of contract disputes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.